Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. I hearty welcome to lecture number 3 video. In the last class I started module number 1 for you. In the last class we discussed what is computer as well as we discussed the components of computer system. In today's class I teach you two more small topics named features of computers and applications of computers. These two topics are very simple topics and very interesting, and you gain knowledge also. What is today's first topic? Features of computers, means characteristics of computers. Computer systems have become so popular because of some good characteristics. Machines have become so popular today. Yes or no? Machines have become so popular today. Why? Why? There is a question. Why the machines have become so popular? Because machines have become so popular because of some good characteristics. Machines have some good characteristics, so the machines have become so popular. Which are those characteristics? Which are those good characteristics? Can you tell me? Sir, yes, we know, sir. Can you share the answers with me? Why the machines have become so popular? Because of some good characteristics. Which are those two good characteristics? Student A is answering. Sir, machines have become so popular, sir, because machines works with high speed, sir. Oh, machines works with high speed? Oh, very good. I am asking the same question to student B. Why the machines have become so popular? Sir, machines will give us accurate results, sir. Oh, very good. Student B, can you tell me? Student C, why the machines have become so popular? Sir, machines are having high storage capacity, sir. High storage capacity means we can store huge amount of data, sir. We can store huge amount of data in computers secondary memory, sir, for future use. That's why high storage capacity is a good characteristic of computer system, sir. Oh, very good. Student D, can you tell me why the machines have become so popular? Sir, machines are having the property like diligence, sir. What do you mean by diligence? Sir, machines do not have human characteristics like fatigueness, tiredness. If we work continuously, sir, we feel tired, sir. But if we use machines continuously, sir, machines will not tell like that, we are tired, please turn off me. That is what we call diligence property, sir. Oh, very good. Characteristics. Sorry. Okay, no problem. That's why the machines have become so popular, sir. Machines do not have any means machines will not feel any tiredness, sir. That is what the diligence property, sir. Oh, very good. Student D, can you tell me other characteristics other than whichever your friends told? Yes, sir. I tell one more, sir. Please tell me. Sir, reliability. Reliability? What do you mean by reliability? Sir, actually machines will use electricity for working. Machines use electricity. Then also it gives correct results, sir. Then also it gives consistently, it gives correct results only. Okay, very rare in which we get wrong results. Reliability, most of the time we get correct results. That is what we call reliability feature. Oh, very good. Means all of you are very intelligent. You are giving correct answers. Because of these characteristics only machines have become so popular. Machines have become so popular because of good characteristics like speed, and accuracy, high storage capacity, diligence, reliability, and can you tell me one more good characteristics? Any one of you? Oh, student F is telling one more answer. What is that? Sir, programmability, sir. Programmability. What do you mean by programmability? Can you tell me, please? Yes, sir, I explain, sir. Oh, please explain me. What is programmability? Sir, we can give our instructions. That means set of instructions we can give to machine, sir. Huh? We can give set of instructions, sir. Oh. What are those set of instructions? Sir, set of instructions means computer programs. Oh, very good. Means we can give our instructions to a computer system. To do specific work. That is what we call programmability feature, sir. Oh, excellent answer given by this student. This is related to learning C programming language. We learn C programming, C language. We learn C language known by machine, and we write computer programs to assign our work. Oh, good answer. Oh, very good. All of you are very clever. You are giving correct results. Excellent. See the diagram. These are the features of computer system. Machines works with high speed, and it is having reliability feature, and it is having another feature like accuracy. It gives us accurate results. Machines will not get any tiredness like human beings, and machines are having high storage capacity. Secondary memory, hard disk is in terms of terabyte. Machine works logically. Means intelligence of programmer is converted into a programs. Oh, logically machine works to provide us correct results. Machines are used in all the fields. In banking we use, in the field of educational we use, in the field of engineering we use, in the field of medical we use, in schools and colleges we use, for entertainment we use. In all the fields machines are used, and this characteristic is called as versatility. Oh, very good. Automation. And nowadays in industry we find automation. Robots are working because of the contribution of artificial intelligence and machine learning student. Some machines will understand the situation and start acting like that. Machine learning. Oh, machine is learning and they act accordingly. Oh, very good. Automation we find in industry. Robots are working. This is what we call automation feature. In offices, MS Office is used. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Word is for letter writing, drafting purpose. Excel is for calculation. PowerPoint is for presentation. These are all good characteristics of computer system. In exam, if you get a question like what are the features of computers, why can't you draw the diagram like this? But if you have time, draw the diagram. Otherwise, list out and explain the things in your own way. In my notes, you find like this. Features of computer system. We discuss one by one. First, we discuss about the speed characteristic of a computer system. Then high storage capacity. Then we discuss accuracy. Next we discuss reliability, versatility, diligence and programmability. Oh, this is what we learn in today's class. Oh, very interesting, sir. Please explain. Oh, definitely I explain. Please listen to me with concentration. Thank you. I continue. First we discuss about speed. Just only student A told me that a machine works with high speed. Your answer is right. But how much of speed? That is the question for you. Oh. Sir, machines are having the capability to execute millions of instructions per second, sir. Huh? Machines are having the capability to execute millions of instructions per second. MIPS. That is what the speed is measured in megahertz. One more student is telling, sir, Machines are having the capability to execute more than millions, sir. That is billions of instructions. BIPS. Oh, very clever. That is what gigahertz, sir, and even more. Supercomputers, mainframe computers are having more speed than these. Oh my God. 1 second is divided into 1000 times milliseconds. 1 second is divided into this many times, 10 raised to minus 6 microseconds. 1 second is divided into 100 by these many digits, 10 raised to minus 9 nanoseconds, 10 raised to minus 12 picoseconds. This is what the speed of a computer system, sir. Oh. Computer is a fast electronic device. It solves large and complex problem in fraction of second. This is what the speed of machine. Now I give an analogy example. We go to ATM. We go to ATM machine to withdraw the money. We go to ATM machine. Yeah, we go to ATM machine and we put the card. We put our ATM card in card reader. Okay, we enter the pin correctly. Then we choose withdraw option and we enter the amount to be withdrawn as 10,000 rupees. Before we get cash, in our hand, we receive SMS. We receive SMS to our smartphone. Before receiving the hard cash, we get message that this much of amount is withdrawn from your account. Oh my God. That ATM machine is in Vijaypur, BLD Engineering College campus, and server is somewhere other than Vijaypur, somewhere, for example assume in Mumbai, and data is updated, your account is updated in the server kept somewhere else, and received SMS before receiving the cash. Oh my God, this is what data transmission has happened, machines processed, and you got the withdrawal message in your phone. This is what the speed of computers are. Yeah, this is good characteristics. That's why in exam if you explain speed like this, evaluator will be happier. That's all. Next, high storage capacity. Now before starting high storage capacity, just only I told you that machines are having the capability to execute millions of instructions per second, and I will show you one program. Already I explained in my interaction class, no problem. I explained once again for you. In front of you one program you can see here. Okay, this is one C program. Here my programs, this is what I highlight with blue color. I'll make bold. Okay, this is one computer program, not bold, right? Here my program started. Okay, see here, opening curly bracket. My program started here and my program is completed here. My program is completed. Okay, here this is what the program. This one is one instruction I am giving to a computer system. This is the second instruction I am giving. This is the third instruction I am giving. Dear machine, please allocate 3 memories for me. How do you tell the machine that? Dear machine, please allocate 3 memories for me. Name of the first memory is N1. Name of the second memory is N2. Name of the third memory is answer. These memories are used to store integer values. Integer values means negative, 0 and positive values. I told the machine, this instruction, it allocates 3 memories named N1 and N2 and answer to store integer values. I will tell the machine, clear the screen. Machine will clear it. Clear the monitor. then I'll tell the machine, dear machine, print the message, enter two integers. It prints the message. Machine will read two values. Scanf. Scanf means I have written %d twice here. %d is for integer. Okay, %d is for integer. Two decimal values I read. First value will be stored in N2, second value will be stored in N2. N1, second will be stored in N2. Don't worry, I explain this program once again in hurry. In slowly, not in hurry, sorry for that. I explain this program once again slowly for you. And I make the addition and I store in answer. And I print with message, addition is available in answer. Machine is waiting. See here, I have written comments also. This instruction allocates three memories named N1, N2 and answer, in which you can store integer values. As you know in mathematics, integer values means negative values, zeros as well as positives. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Integer values you can store within these memories. CLR SCR, two brackets, parenthesis, semicolon. Semicolon means end of one instruction. One command is over, one instruction is over, second instruction is over, third instruction is completed, fourth instruction is completed, fifth is completed, sixth is completed, seventh is completed. You can see semicolon. Dennis Ritchie made some rules you have to follow. This is C program. And machine printf you have to write continuously. Print F, print formatted data, clear screen, continuous in small letter. This is a syntax. Continuously you write in small letter. And this whatever you want to print, that one you can change by your own. This message you can write anything. If you write enter one number, very good morning to all, wish you happy Deepavali, wish you happy new year 2021, that will be printed. And we read two values, and first value will be stored in N2, second value will be stored in N2, N1 and N2. It prints the message. It reads two integer values from user through the keyboard, and it will make the addition by ALU, arithmetical and logical unit. And we are printing the contents of that memory back on monitor. It prints the message and contents of memory named answer, and gets H to get one character. Machine is waiting. It waits to get one character input. Meanwhile we see the result. Now this program, if you run it, we get the message, three memories are allocated, screen is cleared, I am getting entered two integers, machine is waiting, I enter 7, 7 will be stored in N2, 3 will be stored in N2, and addition is 10. This is what we call the output of the program. Now in this program, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instructions. How many instructions we are giving? 7. One and only 7. Only 7 we are giving. But machines are having the capability to execute how many instructions per second? Millions of instructions per second. But we are giving less instructions. Now you can imagine the speed of computer system. I hope you understood. Very good. Next one is high storage capacity. We discuss in detail about high storage capacity in the next lecture video. Okay. Okay. Take rest. Okay. Take rest. Don't take rest. Take a break. Relax for some time. Then come back. And shortly I may upload next lecture video in which we discuss high storage capacity. Machines will understand zeros and ones now. Really that machine is going to understand zeros and ones? That one we discuss. What do you mean by 0 for machine? What do you mean by 1 for machine? What do you mean by ASCII value? And how the decimal value can be converted into ASCII binary equivalent value so that machine can understand. And what is ASCII values? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What are the different ASCII values? And different units of computer's memory and computer program. This is what we discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you one and all.